I welcome all of you in the lesson number 45 for grade 2 mathematics. Guide, we started reading the topic unit time, and we are studying about AM and PM, right? So I'll revise the concept and then we will continue practicing about AM and PM. So you know about the time, guys. First, I would like to tell you in one day how many hours are there. If you talk about one day, so one day is equals to 24 hours, right guys? One day is equals to how many hours? Yes, tell me.
Which clock?
24 hours.
24
24 hours.
24 hours.
Very good. One day is equals to 24 hours. In one day, how many hours are there, guys?
24 hours.
24 hours.
24 hours.
24 hours. That's very good. That's very good. Guys, these hours are split into two. Okay. The first is called AM and the second is called PM. These 24 hours are split into two. First is AM and another is PM. In AM there are also 12 hours and in PM there are also 12 hours. Right? If you look at the clock, so you will see in one day, you will see any time 12 o'clock will be 2 time, 1 o'clock will be 2 time, 2 o'clock will be 2 time, 3 o'clock will be 2 time. So the rotation moves at 2 times in one day. It moves 2 times whole o'clock, right? So one time is 12 hours, that is AM, and another time is also 12 hours, that is PM. We were discussing about AM and PM. So guys, what is AM? From midnight to noon. Midnight to before noon, all time is AM. We were discussing that. So what is included in that time? We can say midnight. Okay. Midnight means when you go to sleep at 12 o'clock. It starts from 12 o'clock at night. Midnight starts at 12 o'clock night. Okay. So what is included in AM? It starts from midnight. Okay. Then 12 o'clock at night, 1 o'clock at night, 2 o'clock at night, 3 o'clock at night, 4 o'clock at night. And then when you start performing Fajr in the early morning, so it also includes morning time, midnight time, morning time, when you perform Fajr, when you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, they all are in AM. Sir, I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. in morning. I start taking classes at 9 a.m. Okay. All the things you do in the morning, that will be in AM time. So AM time starts from midnight when you go to sleep, when 12 o'clock at night, 1 o'clock at night, and it also includes morning time, 6 o'clock, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., when you go, when you start taking classes, 9 a.m., when you do breakfast, 8 a.m. So this all morning time is includes in AM. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Now I give you the examples of AM again. Like, sir, yesterday we went to a event of relative. That's why we got late here. We got late there. So I slept at 1 a.m. in night. You don't need to say night when you say a.m. But for you, I slept at 1 a.m. That's mean you slept at night 1 o'clock. I slept at 1 a.m. Okay. And then, sir, my friend was not feeling happy, so he told me he woke up in the night at 2 a.m. Okay. Then, sir, I performed namaz at 5 a.m. in the 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I have breakfast. I get up early in the morning at 7 a.m. in the morning. I have my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I start taking classes at 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay. My math class is at 9 a.m. in the morning. My, let's suppose, science class is 9:45 in the morning. That's me 9:45 a.m. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Very good. Now we talk about PM, guys. When we talk about PM, so PM starts from noon. Noon means 12 o'clock at the noon. 12 o'clock at the noon. Noon means 12 o'clock at the noon. After morning time, guys, noon starts. Okay. And noon, then afternoon, afternoon, noon time, afternoon time, and or evening time. It includes evening time as well, and it also includes night time. This is, guys, PM. 12 o'clock noon. After 12 o'clock, you will say afternoon time. Evening time, 5 o'clock in the evening, 6 o'clock in the evening, and night time, 7 o'clock in the night, 8 o'clock in the night, 9 o'clock at the night, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So these all includes in PM. So 12 at noon, PM starts, and 1 PM, like, your classes will end. My classes will be finished. My school classes will be finished at 1 o'clock or maybe 1:30 o'clock. So it's afternoon time. So you will say 1:30 p.m. Okay. Or you will say, I'll go to the park with my father in at 5 o'clock in evening. That's mean you are saying I will go to my father, go to a park with my father at 5 p.m. in the evening. Or I take tea at 5 o'clock or at 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay. Or I go for a walk with my father at 6 o'clock in the evening, right? And for night time, you can say I perform Isha at 8 p.m. in the night. Okay, this is the night time. Or I go to the bed at 10 p.m. night time. You don't go to midnight, you sleep at night. So you will say I sleep at 10 p.m. Okay, so this all includes PM. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I'm going to ask you the questions. So this is very clear to you what is AM and what is PM. AM includes midnight time, morning time, whereas PM includes noon time, afternoon time, evening time, and night time. So I was asking you question, at what time will you have your lunch today? So I'm going to take one of you and I will ask this. I will ask this question. Those who want to answer, raise your hand, please. Those who want to answer, raise your hand so that I can take you and you will answer. Iyad Shami.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Iyad Shami. Tell me, at what time will you have lunch today?
I will have lunch today at a.m.
Okay, what AM? And you will have lunch today at AM?
No,
At what time you lunch normally?
a.m.
What AM? Tell me the time. 12, 1, 2, 3. Then
Okay.
say AM or PM.
4 a.m.
4 AM. What does that mean? Iyad Shami, 4 AM. 4 AM means midnight time.
Oh, yeah.
You don't take lunch at midnight. We are talking about afternoon time. For afternoon, what
I
we
think
use? We use PM. For afternoon, we use?
p.m.
Yes. So say I take lunch at 1 PM or 2 PM, okay? I'm going to take one more student. Umar Hassan.
Yes.
Yes, Umar. Tell me, when will you take lunch today?
I take my lunch today. 5 p.m.
Okay, very good. 5 PM. That's very good. Thank you. But that's too much late. You should have lunch before. Okay.
The
Okay, no problem. Your answer is correct. Saud,
Yes, sir.
when will you have lunch today?
2 a.m. I mean p.m.
2 PM. That's very good. That's very good. That's fine. Thank you. Okay. And Muhammad Asad. Muhammad Asad. Muhammad Asad, answer me please. Ammar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ammar. When will you have lunch today?
I will have lunch today at 4 p.m.
That's very good. That's very good. All right, guys. Now I'm going to change the question. And the question is, when will you sleep today? Okay. The question I'm going to ask that, when will you sleep today? When will you sleep today? This is the question. Question number 4. When will you sleep today? And I'm going to ask it by Umar Hassan. Yes, Umar. Umar Hassan. Umar Hassan, can you hear me? Muhammad Said.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. When will you sleep today?
I am sleep 9 p.m.
9 p.m. Okay, that's very good. All right. Now I will ask to Abdulaziz Fahad. Abdulaziz Fahad. Abdulaziz Fahad. Yes, Abdulaziz. When will you sleep today? When will you sleep today?
What? See.
When will you sleep today? Tell me. At what time will you sleep? Abdul Aziz, tell me. Adam Khalid, Adam Khalid,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me at what time will you sleep today?
I will sleep at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. That's very good. That's very good. Okay, I'm going to ask it by one more student, and that is Ahmad Muhammad Al Rufai.
Yes.
When will you sleep today?
What?
When will you sleep today? Yes? Ahmad, can you hear me?
Yes.
Tell me, when will you sleep today?
Um, what is
Sorry? Tell me the time. I will sleep at
2 p.m.
2 p.m. I am asking about the night. When will you sleep at night today?
Um, 8 p.m.
8 p.m. That's very good. 8 p.m. All right, guys. So you see, students are answering, when will you sleep? They are saying 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. because they are sleeping at night, not at midnight. So they will say they are using p.m. Okay. When the question is asked to you, at what time will you have lunch today? So you say that we will have lunch today at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., or 3 p.m. Why? Because this is including afternoon time. PM also includes afternoon time. All right. The question number one, when do you wake up in the morning? And that's you have to answer, guys. When do you wake up in the morning? When do you wake up in the morning? This is I'm going to ask by Anas Ali. Who is Arsh? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me, when do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Look, morning time is not there in PM. Morning time is in AM. So you wake up at
a.m.
what AM? Yes? At what time? You wake up at 7 a.m., 6 a.m. What time?
9 p.m. and 9 p.m.
9 a.m. Morning time is in AM, not in PM. Okay? That's very good. Amjad Muhammad. Amjad Muhammad.
Okay.
Amjad, tell me one thing first. Why you keep
Yes,
changing
sir.
your names? While taking classes, while you change your names. In that way, you don't concentrate on the class. You are actually playing. So that is not good, okay? Amjad, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Now don't change your name, okay? Just write Amjad Mohammed, what is your name? Now tell me, Amjad, when do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Oh, that's good. That's very good. Thank you. All right. One more student I will take. Anas Ali. Anas Ali. Anas Ali, can you hear me? Anas, can you hear me? Ahmad Yusuf, can you hear me? Ahmad Yusuf, can you hear me?
What, sir?
Yes, tell me, when do you wake up in the morning?
Again.
When do you wake
Again,
up?
sir.
When do you wake up in the morning?
7.
7 what?
7 o'clock.
7 what? 7 a.m. or 7 p.m.?
7. 7 m.
7 a.m. That's very good. That's very good. All right, guys. Now I'm going to take you to the book. This is page number. This is page number 155. Okay. So here is the activity of AM or PM for practicing. Look, Pam does the following activities every day. Write a suitable time for each activity and circle it as either AM or PM. Okay. So Pam wakes up at dash AM. We are not going to do it. Just you have to tell me the answer. Pam wakes up at dash AM or PM every morning. So I'm going to ask it by Mackie. Yes, Mackie. Pam wakes up at dash in the morning. Mackie. Muhammad Al Sagir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. Pam wakes up at dash AM or PM every morning. Anytime you can say in the morning.
7.
7 a.m. or PM?
a.m.
AM. That's very good. And we have already done this in our practice, this question. So we will write here 7 a.m. Where is that page? Seven a.m. And we have to circle either AM or PM because it is AM. So that is AM. Guys, this is page number 155. Okay, page number 155. Practice zone. Practice activity for AM or PM. Now the second question is she eats her breakfast at dash AM or PM, and I'm going to ask it by Muhammad Ashraf. Yes, Muhammad Ashraf.
Yes, sir.
She eats her breakfast at dash AM.
She eats her breakfast at 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Why PM? Yes. Look, PM means noon, afternoon, or evening or night time. But breakfast we do in morning. So morning time is AM. Okay.
Okay.
So tell me again, when she will do breakfast? When she will eat
She
breakfast?
she do breakfast at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. That's very good. That's very good. Okay. Guys, I want this question answer from all of you in the chat box, please. You can tell me anytime. She eats her breakfast at dash AM. Yes, guys, when she will do breakfast, tell me your answers in the chat box, please. No, Saud, she will do the breakfast in the morning, not in afternoon. Ilyas, very good. Iyad Shami, no. 4 a.m. means night. Zaid, very good. Saud, very good. But Saud, we write here that she is waking up at 7 a.m. So obviously after waking up, so you can say sir 7:30 or 8. Ayan, very good. Amjad Muhammad, 7:15 what? AM or PM? Muhammad Said, very good. Okay, Amjad Muhammad, that's very good. Other students, please participate. Muhammad Al Sagir, 9 what? AM or PM? Saud, very good. Rafiq Samir, 1 o'clock. 1 PM or 1 AM, Rafiq? Ayat Shami, no. I told you she will not do breakfast in the noon or afternoon. She will do the breakfast in the morning. Morning time is not PM, okay? Ammar, very good. Omar Hassan, 2 a.m. means midnight, okay? Night time, 2 a.m. means midnight, 2 o'clock. She will do the breakfast in the morning. Asad Usama, very good. Muhammad Asad, very good. Muhammad Al Sagir, very good. Omar Hassan, very good. Saud, very good. Sharif Ahmad, what you just write AM. Tell me the time also. Ahmad, 8 PM is the night time. Okay. So I'm going to take one more student. Suleiman. Suleiman, can you hear me? Suleiman. Muhammad Sami. Muhammad Sami, can you hear me? Muhammad Sami. Guys, open your mic so that you can answer. Badar. Badar. And Manthar.
Yes, sir.
Manthar, yes. Tell me, she eat her breakfast at that dash time. Yes, 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 fast. She will do breakfast at what time?
7.
But we write here that she is waking up at 7 a.m. So after 7, she will do breakfast, right?
PM.
Say 7:30 or 8 like this. Okay. 8 a.m. or p.m.? A.m. Okay.
AM.
Okay, okay. That's very good. All right. Asar Usama.
Yes, sir.
When she will do breakfast? Tell me the time.
7 a.m.
But 7 a.m. she is waking up. She wakes up at 7. We write here.
Afternoon.
She is waking up at 7. Walaikum salam. Yes.
Eat lunch.
Which? Yes.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. She eats her breakfast at 7 a.m. So we can write here. Maybe 8 a.m. Right?
I wake up at 9 a.m. because the classes.
Okay, but we are talking about here Pam. Okay? We are talking about Pam. She wakes up at 7 o'clock and she eats her breakfast at
8 o'clock.
8 a.m. Thank you. So guys, AM and PM concept is clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
That's very good. That's very good. We will continue it, guys. In the next class, we will start again. We will complete this practice and we will learn how to read the time. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Bye.